bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho is about uGogo Maweni. You know what? uGogo Maweni is the happiest woman these days, guys. Yesterday she posted on Instagram that attorney called and gave her the best news. We don't know the best news, but we do know that she is currently attending a case assault. I guess the best news was or there are no witnesses. We don't know because the trial ended way back in 2019. So there will be a lot of things, and we know that Gogo Maweni is managed. So we know imali idlala abantu South Africa, and with money you can do anything. So today she did another video, guys. We also know that uGogo Skhotheni exposed indodana kaGogo Maweni, which is uSabelo Uvela Bahleke, for cheating on uGogo Maweni and impregnating another woman. So Sabelo made a video denying all the allegations. He was not denying. He said that this all voice record or whatever Gogo Maweni is talking about, something that happened 3 years back, more than 3 years back. It's not something that happened recently, and we should just accept ukuthi yena no Gogo Maweni, nothing will happen to them. Ayikho into ezobahlukanisa. Kumele nje sivume ukuthi we've tried, or abantu the thing as fact, but because I've never tried. People have tried to ukubahlukanisa, and that thing is not something ezoyenza very soon or ezoyenzeka nje enhlobo. Yena nomkakhe nje bayathandana and bandlulile lapho, so akazi ukuthi abantu bangaze bamjezise bambambe kungenzansi ngento eyayenzeka kudala. But ke thina can't siyazi manje, and we do have a right to ukukhuluma ngayo since it's on a public, and both you and your wife, you are public figures. We do have a right ukuthi sikhulume ngayo. We do know that futhi they are expecting i-reality show yabo is coming back. Yesterday uGogo Maweni attend the court, there were a lot of cameras abuya kuMoja Love, so that means they'll be documenting i-case yakhe or her day at court. Guys, today's video Gogo Maweni ayenzile ukuthi last year she had a miscarriage, guys, due to she was doing izinto ongamelanga abantu aba-pregnant bazenze. So I guess Gogo Maweni uvumelana noTholismo that as a pregnant woman and uyisangoma, there are things that we must not use, or there's muthi that you must not touch, because umntwana makasesiswini, that baby is very sensitive, and ezinye zezinto zokwenza ukuthi umntana akho avele angekho right or umntana akho andlule emhlabeni. So uyasho ukuthi naye she experienced that last year umntana yakhe undlule emhlabeni due to imithi bekayithinta or iziwasho bekazisebenzisa. So this year she's very sensitive, and uyaselecta izinto azenzayo as a traditional healer. She did confirm that she is pregnant, guys. That means amawele wakhe uzibambele wona esiswini sakhe. Mina I thought mhlambe bayenze labo nithi in vitro or whatever, lento yabo ukuthi someone uzokubambela abantwana bakho, but no, Gogo Maweni said abantwana bakhe uzibambela. She was even happy ukuthi abantwana bakhe bakhula kahle siswini, and she is even now showing, because bekakhuluma ngempumulo yakhe ukuthi impumulo yakhe iyakhula. So she guess one of the twin is umfana, and we know that uSabelo want umfana and Gogo Maweni wants intombazana, but just because Gogo Maweni has 3 beautiful boys, obviously uzofuna umntana intombazana now. Bazazala mzizwe, please comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.